Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most unique and trendy crochet cushion cover ideas. You will see very attractive and gorgeous color schemes used in these designs. Very attractive and beautiful contrasting color schemes are used, and you will see 7 to 8 contrasting color schemes in a single design. Most of the designs are of patchwork as well, and in this video I have included different kinds of patterns of square patches which are having a flower in centers as well. So Afghan square flower patterns are used in most of the designs, and you will see granny square patterns and granny striped pattern as well, like this one, and all other different patterns which are mostly made with double crochet stitch are also included in this video. And some of the designs are also made with single crochet stitch, like this beautiful pattern having a zigzag contrasting linings in it. And you can see other patterns as well having different kinds of color schemes and textured looks are made on them because of their color schemes. So all of these designs are unique. You can see this beautiful pattern having different sizes of squares joined together with the help of slip stitch method. So for joining purpose, you can also use different methods, like granny squares can be joined with join as you go method. You can use a single crochet stitch method. Slip stitch method can be used, and you can even use a tapestry needle for this purpose. So you can just sew them together if you are interested in sewing them. So that's up to you. You can use different kinds of methods to join the pieces together, and you can see all of these patterns are very unique and lovely, especially their color schemes. I have uploaded a video with most unique and attractive color schemes of cushion covers, and you like that video much, so I have uploaded another collection of beautiful crochet cushion ideas with unique patterns and lovely color schemes. So I hope you're gonna love them too. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like most of these designs. And if you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing. After pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notifications and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and enjoy all kinds of crochet stuff ideas and all other handmade products ideas which are available on my channel. And you will also find crochet tutorial videos. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing cushion cover tutorial videos on my channel as well. I will upload for you. So just share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.